guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm making a long format video after a really long time. I know I've been not the most active on YouTube, but you can follow me on my Instagram because I'm like pretty active over there. The handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. Now from the title, you must have already understood what I'm going to be talking about. Yes, I'm going to be telling you guys how y'all can get collaborations / PR with just 1000 plus followers. Now, the influencer marketing and the content creation game has become really saturated with everyone being a content creator these days. So it's kind of very difficult to stand out, and especially when you are a beauty creator, showing the same products over and over again might not work in your favor. And I'm not saying like go ahead and spend your hard-earned money or your parents' hard-earned money behind makeup. I have made that mistake, and I think I've come to a point where I've kind of rectified that. I do not shop for makeup as much as I did before. So I think I have learned my lesson here. So I'm going to be showing all of you guys what all I have received in my PR over the last 2-3 months. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how y'all can do the same for yourself if you have 1000 plus followers on YouTube and Instagram. So without me blabbering much now, let's actually jump into this video. Now let's start off with our first brand, and that is Wow. Now I have received a shampoo and a conditioner kit from Wow, and it is the apple cider vinegar shampoo and the coconut and avocado conditioner. Now I really love both the products. Like, I'm not saying this because I have received it in like PR or collaboration, but genuinely both the products are really well. I like the conditioner more than the shampoo though, because you kind of have to work with the shampoo a little bit. But oh my god, once you do, it just foams up like crazy and makes your hair so silky and smooth just after one wash. So I think I'm really totally in love with both the products. And the conditioner, guys, it's just so beautiful. It smells like a dessert. Now, how did I get a Wow collaboration? Now, I got this collaboration through a website or a platform called Freeskout. Now, I'm going to link everything in the bottom bar, so make sure you check that out as well. You have to basically create your profile on the website, and depending upon your followers and your eligibility, you will get emails from them about certain collaborations. Now, if you fit into the criteria, you will be chosen. You have to give your address, and then accordingly, you'll get your product, and you have to finish the deliverable. Now, definitely all of these are barter collaborations. You will not get paid for these, but it is a learning experience, and the more you grow, the more followers you get, eventually you'll get more paid collaborations. Now, the second product which I got from Wow is their vitamin C face wash. Now, coming to this, I have a few complaints about this. The first one being is it's all paper packaging. Face wash is essentially a toiletry ka saman, so why would you make it with paper packaging? I feel like that's just a really inconvenient thing for me. Coming to the actual face wash, I've just used this twice, and I think it's just like a decent product. I think unfortunately it didn't work for me. It kind of made me break out a little, so I'm like steering away from this. But if vitamin C is your cup of tea, well and good for you. I generally don't use that many actives for my skin, you know, so I will somehow use this up. Also, one great thing which I liked about Wow is actually they send these plant seeds. I also got the same Wow collaboration from Freeskout as well. The next collaboration or PR package which I had is from Plixxo, and it is their magnesium supplements. Now, I got this collaboration via budding influencers. Now, budding influencers works a little differently. You get a list of collaborations and PR on their website. You can click on them individually and fill up the Google forms from the PR agencies of the brand. Now, if you're shortlisted, you will be further notified and you will be getting the collaboration. Other than that, they also have some WhatsApp groups. You can join that as well for regular updates for collaborations. Now, moving on to the actual product. Now, I have done like a detailed review on this because that was a part of my collaboration. That was my deliverable. But my actual thought on this product is that it's a nice thing. Okay, it tastes also really decently nice. It's not overly sweet, but I wouldn't personally take it. So if you have like a mineral deficiency, maybe you can check their products out. Also, I think Plixxo has like some other skincare as well, so you can check those out if not the supplements. But the overall experience from the brand was actually really great. The next PR package which I got is from the brand Lauric, and these are marketed as skincare shots. They are again basically supplements for your better skin. It's in the chocolate flavor, and you get sachets of the powder like this. You can mix in water, milk or whatever and then drink it. Now, I personally have not tried these. Now, the brand actually directly contacted me via their email. So, they did send this to me. I have not tried this out yet. I don't think I will because I don't generally consume a lot of beauty supplements. So, if that's your cup of tea, good for you. But I think not for me. Now, the next whole PR bunch I actually got from the same organization, and that is Plixxo slash Good Creator Co. Ever since I have passed that threshold, I've been getting a lot of collaborations offers from them. Most of them are from their in-house brands like MyGlam, Organic Harvest, Sirona. The next few products which I have are from Sirona, and they are again for collaboration purposes as well. Now, in my first box, I have some period care products. Yeah. The first one is your pain relief heat patch. Now this is only, I guess, one use, so I have not obviously used it. I personally do not get much cramps like that, so it will be useful for someone who gets really bad cramps during their period days. The next thing which I have is their facial hair remover kit, and I think it's a really nice product. I've kind of tried to shape my eyebrow with this one as well. It works really well actually. The blades are not too sharp to the point it's gonna cut yourself. It actually takes out all the peach fuzz really well. This is their post wax or shave aloe vera gel. Now I feel it's like a very normal aloe vera gel with a little peppermint or mint extract to it. It does the job again. If you want to shave your face, you can apply this and then use the razor as well. So I think these two are quite a value combo pack. The next two things are actually gummy bears. The first one is the multivitamin gummy and the second one is the PMS gummy. Now PMS one is obviously red in color, multivitamin is orange in color. Now I've had this multivitamin gummy and actually speaking, it's very tasty. You will be intimidated to eat more than one gummy at once because trust me, it is actually that tasty. Yum. Now the last PR package or the collaboration which I had was literally so much work, and it's from Organic Harvest. Definitely look at the size of the package, it is huge. First one is their jute bag. Iske andar they have their rose bathing bar and their vitamin C face wash. The rose bathing bar, oh my god guys, smells so good. I mean, it's literally like you're jumping in a tub of like 100 roses. It smells so beautiful. Again, Organic Harvest also has sent me like a lot of products like notebooks, pens, and they've also sent me seeds to plants. Again, how environmental friendly and good is that. The next few products in this bag are actually very random. The first one is this onion hair loss control conditioner. I have used this like again a couple of times and I've not seen like a noticeable difference, but it's not a bad product either. Next, oh my god, they have sent me, like literally they have sent me bars of soap like crazy. I think अब तो मुझे जिंदगी भर के लिए नहाने का सामान मिल गया, like literally. I have their charcoal variant, a mint variant, lily of the valley variant, and again a rose variant. So I have like literally zindagi bhar ke sabun mere paas right now. The next product is actually very interesting. It is their lip balm again, and it is their lemon lip balm, and this is what it looks like. This reminds me really of an EOS lip balm, like you know the shape and all. Now this lip balm is not the smoothest or creamiest. Now I'm rubbing it, it's taking some time to emulsify, so that's there. It smells really great of lemons as well. The packaging overall, oh my god, is so cute, so I really like this. So guys, that's it for my PR haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a super fun and informative video for you guys. Till then guys, stay home, stay safe, and I love all of you guys a lot. Bye!